Another issue, guys, this is important. Islam dealt with the issue of racism by educating us concerning the asl of Adam. What's his reality? What's your reality? What's your reality? What is your reality? One man, Ubay, one of the Qur'an of the Qur'an, he narrated an authentic hadith collected by the Imam al-Tirmidhi. Could go back, and it's in English too. In that Al-Adab al-Mufrad to Imam al-Bukhari is in English. There was a man who was bragging about his father and his lineage, and he's from the Arabs, I'm this, I'm that. Ubay ibn Ka'b, one of the scholars of the companions. Ubay ibn Ka'b would come to the masjid late, and the imam is praying. Ubay ibn Ka'b would come in and pull someone out of the first row and get in his place. And then after the prayer, he would tell that person, calm down, take it easy. The Prophet said, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, before prayer, let the ulama, the people of Nuha, let the ones who know what they're doing pray behind the imam. And that young man would calm down. He didn't do what the millennials would do today. Punch the older man in the face, push him in front of everybody, go do some kind of GoFundMe and then sue him. No. Soon as he heard Rasulullah said, that's what the man was mustaslim. So Ubay ibn Ka'b witnessed a man bragging. I'm this tribe, I'm this, I'm from here, I'm this, I'm this. He told him, bite your father's private part. Now I take it into consideration, we got youth here, may have sisters, people watching me, but that's what happened. The people were shocked. They said, Ubay, Abu Munzir, we didn't know you were like this, a man of fahish, you talk like that. He said, I don't talk like that. He said, I heard the Prophet say, sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, إِذَا رَأَيْتَ رَجُلًا يَتَعَزَّى بِعَزَاءِ الْجَاهِلِيَّةِ. If you see a man bragging like this, then you tell him to bite on his father's private part, because that's where he comes from. You see the optic? You see the illustration? It's awkward discussion. And some of us with our culture, we don't, those are not my words. Is it hikmah to say this right now? Inshallah, I hope it is. I hope I didn't offend anyone. But we're trying to make a point. That's where you come from. One of the ways Al-Islam dealt with this issue was to say, that's where you come from. Who in his right mind is going to walk around and say, that's where I come from, look at me? Who's going to do that? So Islam told us the reality of where we come from, who we are.